You will not believe this recipe. With only 3 ingredients I made something delicious. To start our recipe, I will start grating 300 grams of mozzarella. This recipe is simply amazing. Make in your home and then come back here to tell me what you think. Once this is done, I will transfer the mozzarella to a container and fix it. Tell me if you have any simple recipe with mozzarella, I'd love to know. Now I will add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then an egg, and finally, I will mix everything very well until it becomes a mass. This recipe has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too, because this recipe is amazing. The result will surprise you. As soon as the dough gets to that point, I'll put it on top of a surface and shape it so we can cut the pieces. My friends always ask me to teach how does this recipe, so delicious that is the result. Now I'm going to cut the dough into small pieces, and then roll it until it gets the round shape. It has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now I don't stop making it. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Rosemary Rose from Ireland. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. The best of this recipe is the ease and practicality to make it, so you can always do it, even when you do not have much time to cook, and besides, it is also a great option for a different snack. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. Once this is done, I will transfer our recipe to a dish. People look amazing, and we only use 3 ingredients. Now I will add oil in a pan, enough to be able to fry our recipe. Once the oil is hot, I will put our recipe in the pan to fry, careful not to burn. When our recipe is already at this point, I will remove from the pan and put on a plate with paper towel to remove excess oil. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. Done, this is ready our recipe. Look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. It's a perfect recipe. It's quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it at your home too. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.